just want to hop on here real quick and talk about the fact that you do not have to have perfect hair and makeup and life and a beautiful kitchen. Look at the trash. To cook in your kitchen, and you don't have to have a bunch of time. That's one of my biggest complaints with clients that I have, with anybody that I talk to, is that they don't have time and they just want to go out and eat. So I wanted to share with you a quick and easy recipe. I woke up 30 minutes earlier than I normally do. I'm not a morning person. I don't want to get up. I just don't want to do this, but this is something easy enough that I can get it. And this is Hobie, and he thinks it's delicious too, and he tries to eat the food while I cook it, and now he's pouting. He's pouting. I still have my mascara on from last night, from when I cried because I had a really good heart-to-heart with a friend. Lindsay, I love you. And anyways, I just don't want to promote a culture which makes you feel bad when you scroll through your social media that your life isn't perfect and that you don't have perfectly clean kids and cute hair and a nice outfit. I mean, like, this is real life, and I want you to know you can do it too. I'm not perfect. I don't have anything that you don't have. You can do it.
Alrighty, you're going to take half of a yellow onion, you're going to cut it down the center, you're going to cut off the end, and then you're going to peel it off. The reason we're doing this is because I don't like a lot of onion in my recipes. If you want a larger one, or if you have a white onion, that's perfectly acceptable. If you cut it at a 90 like this, you're going to get a lot of little chunks because it already has the striations in it, which is great. If you want even smaller chunks, you can go halfway hamburger style. I'll show that in another video, because I always have onions, you know what I'm saying. Okay, that leads into the second part. You want these recipes to be really easy because, you know, you're tired, and chicken tenders are going to make the shredding portion at the end of this recipe a heck of a lot easier than, say, chicken breasts or chicken thighs. These were defrosted the night before, which makes it, of course, easier. They can be frozen, though. It does work. Cilantro lime was a salsa that I chose to use. You can use any you want. I really liked that, and all the spices I used will be provided below. Cumin, I'm obsessed with lately. The jar of enchilada sauce is not technically keto friendly, but I can't find one that doesn't have nasty chemicals. Please put suggestions in the comments below. And then I like chili peppers more than I like tomatoes, so I use 2 jars of Rotel's peppers instead of using one of the mixed ones with tomatoes and peppers. That's a personal preference. If you're a tomato person, feel free to do what you want. Now this is me coming home at the end of the day. I mean, how fantastic. Just look, I'm hungry right now just looking at it. So what you're going to do, if you need something crunchy, is just get yourself some pork rinds. Those are awesome. Try to get ones with not too many spices or healthy options. And then this is when I use forks to just stick it in the center of the chicken tender and pull it apart, and it shreds so easy. It is the least amount of effort ever. And then, of course, the toppings are the most important part. Get yourself some Tillamook sharp cheddar or medium, whatever you want, avocado, and a little bit of organic cream cheese. And it is like, see, I had to eat it. It was just, oh my god, yes. Mmm.
So I wanted to hop on here and show you real life because I feel like on Instagram and all those other platforms that they make you look like their kitchen is perfect and their makeup is always done and they have perfect hair and cute outfits, and I'm like, I don't got time for that. I just want to cook a meal. I just want to eat healthy. And when you are working and you are tired, it is so hard. It is so hard to get up in the morning and to do it. So I don't want to be up early. I don't want to be doing this and cutting my veggies. So I have come up with some recipes, or found some recipes and researched and modified them so that I can eat things when I come home from work so it's ready. Because at the end of the day, I do not want to do that. I just don't. Like, let's just be real. Like, who wants to come home and cook an 1.5-hour long meal after a long day at work? So I still have makeup on my face, my hair has not been washed, and I'm probably a little bit late for work. But I know that my house is going to smell like delicious enchiladas when I come home, and I'm just going to literally put it in a bowl and eat it and go to bed. And that is the best feeling in the world some days. And I didn't want you guys to think that I was one of those people that looks good all the time, and I don't want to promote that kind of culture. I don't want anybody to look at my channel and to feel bad that their life is not perfect. I don't want to show on social media the highlight reel. I want to be real with y'all. So it's a little bit uncomfortable, but you know, I was crying last night. I had dinner with a friend. I didn't even wash it off. I didn't even brush my teeth last night. Like, that's the reality of life. So I just wanted to be real with y'all, and I hope that you appreciate that. So if I can do it, I'm not a morning person, and I work all the time, and I have friends in a social life, and I do all those things, and I don't wake up in the morning. If I can do it, I know you can too.